In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove emoji from CapCut video. Whether the emoji is its own sticker or baked into your footage, I'll walk you through clear practical ways to clean up your edit so the focus stays where it should. Start by opening your project in CapCut. If the emoji was added as a sticker or text inside the app, the easiest fix is to remove that layer directly. On the timeline, tap the emoji, sticker, or text layer to select it. Once it's highlighted, tap the delete icon, the little trash can, that removes the layer instantly. If the emoji appears multiple times, scrub through the timeline and repeat wherever it shows up. A quick tip here, zoom into the timeline so you can see the layer boundaries more precisely and make sure you're removing it across the entire section where it appears. If the emoji is embedded in the video and you can't delete it as a layer, use a simple mask replacement. First, duplicate your video layer so you have two identical layers stacked. We'll use the duplicate as a source to cover the emoji. Tap the clip, then on the right side, select Mask and choose Add Mask. Pick a shape like a rectangle or an oval, something just big enough to cover the emoji without hiding important details around it. Position the mask carefully over the emoji, adjusting the size so it blocks the emoji completely. For a cleaner result, increase the feather amount to softly blend the mask edges into the background. Feathering avoids harsh lines and helps the patch look natural, as if the emoji was never there. Think of this mask like a virtual sticker. You're placing a clean piece of the video over the spot you don't want to see. Take your time here. Small nudges in position, size, and feathering can make a big difference, and it may take a few tries to get a seamless look. When you're happy with the coverage, play back the clip to confirm the emoji stays hidden and the edges blend well. If anything still peeks through, refine the mask shape or reposition it slightly until it disappears. And that's it. You now have straightforward ways to remove unwanted emojis from your CapCut videos, whether you're deleting a sticker layer or masking something away for a distraction-free edit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.